In a moonlit observatory, a storyteller traces a journey through strange radio whispers from distant nebulae and icy worlds. First stop is a tremor-like pulse from a magnetized exoplanet, hinting at auroral rhythms dancing across a foreign sky. Next, rapid chirps echo from an unusual fast radio burst, sparking theories from sonic resonance to cosmic rainfall. An eerie metallic melody rises from a collapsing star, challenging scientists to separate geology, magnetism, and coincidence from intention. The tale ends with a speculative note that humanity may learn to listen for meaning in the vast silence.